Right, guys, watching closely on the S&P right now. Risking 5 points only. Sell stop right now. Trend continuation. Here we go. End in, guys. End in. Here we go. Trend continuation. Negative moving average configuration. Broke prior candle low on this big candle. This is a new candle now, 1131. Right. This started just 15 seconds ago, and driving up now for the time being to give us a top wick. I'm just hoping that top wick is within those 5 points. We'll see. See the top wick here on the left-hand side? And target 1 has been hit. So the 1 hour all or nothing traders left the game with full profitability. Took a while, guys. We had to pull back here and for quite a few minutes sat around doing nothing. This is a 1 minute chart. And now the weakness is coming in. It is 11:54. So the official twilight zone only starts in 6 minutes, 12 noon till about 1 o'clock. But I like to start thinking of twilight zone at 11:30 when the European market has good and close right across the board, as a matter of fact. And 11:30, of course, is right here, right when I entered, as a matter of fact. And so we're going to watch this to see if we can continue down here. It looks like we are going to. Target 2 has been hit. So the 1.5 hour all or nothing traders left the game with full profitability. Just the 2 hour all or nothing and 2 hour move stop to break even at 1 hour sitting here, waiting to see what's going to happen. And there it is, guys. Finally, wow, that was a long wait. Entered this trade at 11:28, if you remember, just before the twilight zone. And then now have hit the third target at 12:43, coming up to the end of the twilight zone, but finally paid off. And so I'll put you on pause for 1 second here. And so all three of these models were fully profitable. Only the 2 hour move stop to break even at 1 hour got a break even, because after 1 hour, we moved stop to break even and they were stopped out over here. But everybody wins or breaks even on this one. It just took a while to play out. This is a zone reversal trade, guys. It's a midday new zone, of course, right? Equal highs here on these bodies. At the time of the twilight zone, this is the 11 o'clock candle, by the way, then the 11:30 candle is here. So going into the twilight zone. This reversal happened very quickly and very suddenly, as you can see from way up here. See this big move down here? And so there was nothing for me up here higher where I would have liked to have taken it, because there were no pivots in place to be able to enter on that front. So waited for this nice orderly pullback, entered on the first sign of weakness. Let me show you the 1 minute chart so you can see it very, very clearly as to why I entered when I did. Was right here, pulling back through both EMAs, tapping the 21 and then breaking down. It turns out that was a little bit early. Had to sit through all of this, a little touch and go there for a bit, but then eventually drove down and gave us what we wanted. But it was all about being patient and just sitting and waiting and trusting the model, right? Trusting the system. It's hard to do sometimes, especially when you have to sit through such a grind like that. Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you. Second trade of the day, second win of the day, which is nice. It's been a good week so far. It's only Tuesday. We'll see if we can get something else this afternoon as we come out of the twilight zone in the next 13 minutes or so. Talk to you soon, guys. Take care.